Hey everyone, welcome to Excel with CA. Today we are diving into two incredible Excel function, take and choose. These are the secret weapon guys for anyone who wants to impress their colleagues or boss and save hours of work. So buckle up and let's make Excel fun and fast. So imagine the scenario, someone at the office has dumped a table of this marketing data on your desk, okay, and ask you to perform 8 different tasks. Here are the 6 questions, next two are over here. Okay, don't do you think you will be able to do this? Each questions we need to address in 1 minute. Don't worry, I've got you back. Let's smash this question in under a minute each. Okay, ready? Let's go one by one. So first thing first. So this is the data. Now question 1 is rearrange the table. This is the table in the column series 1 3 2 4. See over here this is arranged in 1 2 3 4, right? So now someone asks you to rearrange this in the series that first column should contain this, second should contain this, third should contain this, and fourth one should be this. And the challenge is we cannot use copy paste method. Okay, so this sounds tricky, right? You need to do this in a minute. How you will arrange without copy pasting? So we have an Excel formula named as choose. So we choose, it is not tricky at all. I will show you how to do that. So here is the simple formula. You just simply type equals to choose. See, choose columns and choose row. Right now we are working in choose columns. So choose column. Now see, Excel is asking provide the array. So here is the array. Okay. Now you just after selecting the array, what you need to do is in the series where you want to arrange this data, you can give that as a number. So see, we need in the series 1 3 2 4. Here it is mentioned, right? 1 3 2 4. So what we will do is 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4. If you give this series, what Excel will do is, let's see, simply press enter and see the result, right? So campaign is at first place. Now the third column, advertisement spend, has come at second place. Then the conversions has gone to the third place, which was earlier over here at the second place. Now the fourth place is as it is. That is what we wanted, right? So how simple, done in second. Isn't that cool? Next, let's shuffle the rows into the series 1 4 6 8 and 10. The question is, let's shuffle the rows. So here the row number, right? 1 to 12. Now we don't want entire data. We only need one row number 1 4 6 8 and 10 at one place. Okay, so with choose, you just specify the row number you want and damn, the problem is solved. Let's see this. Okay, let me delete this. I will delete this. Now let me apply the same formula, choose. Now instead of columns we will select rows. Now again Excel is asking to select the array, so let me select the data which I want to rearrange. Now the series is given. You can do any in any way you can arrange your data as per the requirement. Here the requirement is to arrange the data in 1 4 6 8 10 series. So what I will do is 1 comma, we are just giving the row numbers. Okay, so 1 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. It can be more, it can be less. Simply press enter and see the magic. See, 1 D F H Z. So A D F H J. So these are the numbers, right? We have given the row number. So it is damn easy, guys. How easy was that? Let me know in the comment section whether you are liking this. Let's proceed to the next one. Moving on. So your boss wants the top 5 rows. Your boss wants the top 5 rows. Okay, this one is a classic one for the take function. I will show you how to do this. Guys, please understand, you can anyways do all these things by copy pasting and using copy paste or paste special the way we do for using a paste special feature. But the challenge is we cannot use copy paste method. Now that is why we are just seeing the formula how we can do this. Now let's see how we can bring in top 5 rows at one go. So I will remove this. Now till this time we were using the choose function. Now we are shifting to take function. See, this is a magical function in Excel. Is equals to take. Excel is saying select the array. So what, this is the array, right? So we are taking this. Now see, understand what Excel is asking. Excel is asking rows. So how many rows are required? What is the question? Question is top 5 rows. So we will simply give 5 comma. Now it shifts to column. Column we will leave it blank. I mean, we are only focusing on rows right now, right? So you can just leave it blank, close the bracket and simply press enter. See, A B C D E, and this is over here. As simple as that. Whether you are enjoying this, I believe most of you have seen this take function for the first time. So let me know what all videos we can do and help you guys. Let's move on to the next topic of how to select bottom 5 rows. So now let's flip it. We want the bottom 5 rows. So again, take comes to the rescue. Use this formula. See, we already have the formula over here, right? So is equals to take, we have selected the array, I mean entire table, and we have given 5. So 5 means Excel picked up top 5. Now if we tweak it and make it -5, Excel will take bottom 5. See, HIJKL from here to here, right? So that minus sign tells Excel to count from the bottom, right? How simple is this? Is it simple? Let me know. Now one more thing is, if you copy paste the data, what you would have done is you would have simply copied this and pasted it over here, be it using paste special feature or anything as such. But this is not dynamic, guys, right? So now if so this is one thing, copy paste. Now if we have used this formula over here, now see what I will do is, for an example, let me insert a column in between, row in between. Say I will make it Z, and let me take say 210, any values as such, that's not a problem. And this is the data, right? So now see, this one is intact, this is static because you copy pasted this, but this one got changed automatically. So this is a dynamic feature. If you are changing, if anything gets changed in your table, Excel understands that it needs to pick only last 5 rows. So it has considered only last 5 rows. Even if new things are inserted, it will consider those things. So it's a dynamic feature. Alright, so I will remove this, what we have added. Now let me remove this. Let's come to the next thing. So let's grab, now the question is, let me come to question 5, that is, show me the first 2 columns. Someone asks you, quickly show me the first 2 columns without using the copy paste feature. So again, we can use take over here. So see, if you type is equals to take, simply give this entire array. Okay, now in it is asking for rows, right? So when we were working for rows, we left column blank. Now we need only first 2 columns, so we need not give any numbering for rows. We can leave it blank, simply press 2 times comma, and then it got shifted to column. We need first 2 rows or 3 rows, whatever. So here we need first 2 rows, simply type 2 and press enter. Now you have this, right? So again, and if someone asks you show me the last 2 rows, 2 columns, then how you will do? -2, and this is done. Sorry. Okay, so this is sounding good, guys. Now one thing I want to mention is, when we are working on column, I personally find choose function as more useful, because if we type choose column over here, we can simply select the array. Now whether we need first 2 columns or last 2 columns or shuffling the columns, everything can be done through choose column feature. But when we were using take column, we can only select either first 2 or 3 columns or last 2 or 3 columns. But if we want to shuffle, we cannot do that. But in choose column we can do, as we learned earlier. So say for an example, we have taken this entire array. Now we want this to be shuffled in say 4 2 3 1 series, anything. So let me give 4. Column 4 will come at first place, then second column will come at second place, then first column will come at third place, and third column will shift to fourth place. If I want this, then Excel will do this for me using choose column feature. So choose column is more practical for me when we are trying to work on columns. But when we are trying to work on rows, I believe take is more user friendly because that is more dynamic, like last 5 or first 5, anything you can pick. So both can be used. You need to understand what is more useful for you. And that's a wrap, guys. We let's not make the video too long. What I will do is I also have something to show you how to compute the average of the last 5 spends or the top 5 spends, and how to filter out using Excel smart formula that uh, which all marketing spend is more than 1000. Just filter it out using take functions and combining it with filter and average features. So let me cover this in the next video. But before that, let me know whether you like this video. In case I receive comments and likes, then I will prepare the next part, which will be covering this average spend and marketing spend greater than 1000. Okay, so let's wrap it over here. I hope you loved today's Excel with CA session on take and choose. Let me know in the comment which trick blew your mind the most, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your Excel buddies. Let's make spreadsheet fun. See you next time. Signing off.